If love is still there, if trust is still there, then why does intimacy slowly disappears after marriage? Most couple thinks this problem is emotional. Ayurveda says the real reason is much deeper and it starts long before the bedroom. And the surprising truth is people are creating this problem unknowingly every single day. Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we talk about Ayurveda in simple, clear and balanced way. Today's topic is very important for married couples, rarely discussed openly. Silent beginning of the problems. The truth is, intimacy does not suddenly disappear. Fades slowly, quietly and day by day. Most people even don't realize that when the intimacy started reducing because nothing dramatic happens. No argument, no major conflicts, just distance. The biggest myth about the intimacy. Here is the biggest myth. People believe intimacy problem means something is wrong with the relationship. But in reality, many couples love each other deeply and still struggles with closeness. Ayurveda explains intimacy as a reflection of inner balance, not just emotions, but energy, digestion, sleep, and stress. Why modern life damages intimacy? Modern life trains us constantly. Late nights, screen until midnight, regular meals, and mental pressure that never switch us off. We call it a busy lifestyle. But body experiences it as a continuous stress. According to Ayurveda, when body is exhausted, the desire is the first thing to suffer. Ayurveda's core view on intimacy. Ayurveda says intimacy depends on vital energy, the energy that supports connections, warmth and enthusiasm. When this energy is low, it feels forced. Of natural, this is why modern marriages struggle more than before. Not because people care less, but because their body are always tired. How men and women are affected differently. Men and women experiences this imbalance differently. Many women feels drained, overwhelmed or emotionally exhausted. Hormonal imbalance, disturbed sleep and mental overload reduce their natural desire for closeness. Many men experiences stress, pressure to perform and constant mental stimulation that leaves the body restless. When partner feels tired and the other feels rejected, distance begins to grow silently. Why talking alone does not fix it? Many couples try communication, they talk, they explain, try to understand. The problem still remains because communication helps emotions, but physical exhaustion needs physical correction. You cannot talk out your way to imbalance. Ayurveda correction is restoring your balance. Ayurveda never treats intimacy as a problem. It treats it as a signal that your balance is disturbed. While digestion improves, when sleep becomes regular, when stress reduces, and your daily routine aligns with the nature, intimacy returns naturally, not forced, not planned, but restored. Most important message for couples. Intimacy problems are not a sign of failure. They are common and they are reversible. And they are not something to feel ashamed of. Ignoring the issue creates the distance. Understanding it creates connection. If the video helps you to understand the relationship from a healthier, more balanced perspective, do share this with someone who needs its clarity. More videos on Ayurveda, style, balance and holistic health, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and take care of your health, because balance is the foundation of every relationship.